Hello my friends, this is Aman Kalia from Foundry Solution Industries, Jalandhar, Punjab, India, and I am going to show you our recent plant rectioning of a complete fully automatic sand plant over that side. This is a transfer cars, transfer trolley, cooling line, molding box, pallets, machine hopper, mixer, elevator, sand seeder. This is a manual type plant for the mini foundry, or we can say that as a mini sand plant. Molding boxes, line, transfer trolley, manual transport trolley, not automatic, manual molding machines, molding pallets, and this is a sand sieve from elevator to the above shed, and from above shed to the mixer.